Okay, back on the 73 Bronco project. I had to order the piece for this side as well. It's not just a flat piece of metal, as you can see. It's rounded, which is why I ordered it, to save the work of having to make that fit. Plus, I don't know what gauge it is, but it's heavier than the 14 gauge that I've been doing most of the repairs with. So I have to replace a strip of metal here and a strip of metal through here that are rusted out. And I got that over on the cutting bench right now. I'll weld, you can see better here, I had to cut out. And then once I get that back in, I'm going to cut this piece out. I'm going to have to fabricate that piece to replace. Alright, here's the old piece I cut out. New piece has been welded in. Sprayed up over the paint chips a little bit, but that'll go away when I strip it. Came out pretty good. So now I gotta replace this piece here. Got the new metal welded in. Old, not so nice. New, very nice. I'll grind that weld tomorrow, giving the neighbors a break from the grinder. Alright, so I've cut out some more rusted up metal. Cut this piece out of here. You can see it was getting a little rough. And the top of this bed rail, see it was rusted through. Then I replaced those two. Got this piece. It'll fit right in there. And then this piece. It'll go in there. So welding's all done. A little grinding. I'll be ready for my corner patch when it comes in the mail. Alright, there we are. All the metal work's done. Still need to get my little Dremel out here or something and grind that weld. I couldn't get into it. But now I'm ready for the corner patch panel. So that is on its way, hopefully.